everyone! Welcome back to another virtual story time. Miss Nicole here at the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Garden. And today we're going to read Pink is for Boys. Now you probably already know that I love the color pink. It's one of my favorites. But I don't think pink is just for girls. I think it can be for boys, girls, or anyone else. So that's why I chose this book. Let's get started. Pink is for boys and girls, and bows on fancy clothes. Blue is for girls and boys. So you can see there's a girl and a boy playing sports wearing blue. And uniforms on a team. Yellow is for boys and girls, and a crown to wear. Green is for girls and boys, and grass to run on, or a garden. Red is for boys and girls, and cars racing along the track. Orange is for girls and boys, and popsicles dribbling down sticky chins. Looks like they're enjoying their summer treat. Purple is for boys and girls, and unicorns, because unicorns. Look at this purple unicorn. Brown is for girls and boys, and teddy bears to cuddle. Black and white are for boys and girls, and puppies and kittens to pet. And all the colors are for everyone, girls and boys. And flowers and butterflies and rainbows in the sky. I love this story because you can have any favorite color you want. So for today's craft, we're going to make a heart rainbow. So you can find the tutorial to make this on our Google Classroom, our virtual living lab, by registering for free at Keywest.garden/education. Now to make this, you'll need every color of the rainbow construction paper, or you can cut white strips of paper and color or paint it. So we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And you're gonna cut the strips large to small, so the large are going to be the red and the smallest is the purple. And what you're going to do is fold the strips, but you don't want to push it too tight. You want this rounded edge, and you're going to tape it, and you're going to add another strip to each one and put it together for a heart. But again, you can find the tutorial on our Google Classroom. And for our activity today, we're going to do a color combining experiment. And it's something that's very simple and you can try at home for yourself. Just like our craft, the tutorial for this activity, combining colors, can be found on our Google Classroom on our virtual living lab. So what you'll need is some food coloring, some water, and an ice cube tray. And what I did is I poured water into the ice cube tray, and then I used our 3 primary colors, which are blue, red, and yellow. And I put the colors into the water on the tray, and then I froze them. And what you're going to do is pop out the cubes, and you're going to put them into a cup and combine the 2 colors and see what you get. So here's what I got when I combined a blue and a red. It made purple. When I combined the blue and yellow, I made green. And when I combined the red and yellow, I got orange. So you give it a try at home and combine different colors and see what colors you can make. Thanks for joining me for another virtual story time. See you next week.